couple of newer ones. This was a new rite in Scotland, not this year but last year, 39, number 39. It's called Dominion, and it's in memoriam Charles Nowosielski. Liberated bodies, breathing free, aye show themselves for what they are, and at the hills fit, trow smir and hungry jaws, they were ance away, what traded chains for reins, was stage eclipsed page after page for the golden ages o' ground through joy and pain. With the sun softly touching down ahint the far side of the loch, a licht persists in dancing round the croon of the bairn, whose open hand holds like a broken blackbird's wings the magic of the land. And now one more, fifth time. And this is in an anthology called What Winter Wants that just came out. It's called Halting Grind. Seeking hearts, a joker mun cries Athen short of domination, shame. Underfit, they're neither stack nor twal when I cash thee in for a winning slip. The shooters o' another pine box squeeze perfect into sturkened ground. Naked branches, travelling in the fog, dream of futures lying by. Me fingers stick and fuse as they strike a stolen match. Feet feeling for ground, frozen sunless, a diamond falls